Most people believe that love and money don't mix. We're taught to think that talking about finances and relationships is unromantic, that true love should exist above material concerns. But what if this way of thinking is actually destroying our relationships? What if the secret to lasting happiness with your partner isn't just about romance, but about building a solid financial foundation together? After studying hundreds of couples over the past decade, relationship experts have discovered something remarkable. The happiest couples aren't necessarily the richest ones, but they are the ones who have mastered the art of managing money together. They've found a hidden formula that combines emotional intelligence with financial wisdom, creating relationships that are both deeply fulfilling and financially secure. And in this video, we'll reveal that secret formula to you. We'll break down the 5 key steps that emotionally intelligent couples take to achieve financial harmony and lasting love. But first, if you value knowledge and learning, please support us by hitting the like button. It helps us reach more people with our videos. The foundation. Understanding the money-love connection. Before diving into the formula, it's crucial to grasp the unique bond between money and love. Money problems are cited as one of the leading causes of divorce, but it's not really about the money itself. It's about what money represents in a relationship: security, values, priorities, and dreams for the future. When couples can't align on these fundamental aspects of life, conflict becomes inevitable. The hidden formula begins with recognizing that financial harmony and relationship harmony are two sides of the same coin. Couples who learn to make financial decisions together develop stronger communication skills. They learn to compromise, to plan for the future, and to support each other through challenges. These skills naturally spill over into every other area of their relationship. Research shows that couples who regularly discuss their finances and make joint decisions about money report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. They feel more connected to their partner and more confident about their future together. This isn't because money solves all problems, but because the process of managing money together builds the kind of partnership that can weather any storm. Step 1. Creating financial transparency. The first element of the formula is complete financial transparency. This means both partners must be willing to share everything about their financial situation, including debts, income, spending habits, and financial fears. Many couples avoid this conversation because it feels uncomfortable or invasive, but this transparency is essential for building trust. Financial transparency doesn't mean you have to combine all your accounts immediately or make every financial decision together. It means creating an environment where both partners feel safe to discuss money without judgment or criticism. This requires establishing ground rules for these conversations and approaching them with curiosity rather than blame. Start by scheduling regular money dates where you sit down together to review your finances. Make these meetings positive by celebrating your successes together, whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or simply sticking to your budget for the month. When you associate talking about money with positive experiences, it becomes easier to have the more difficult conversations when they're needed. During these conversations, focus on understanding your partner's relationship with money. What messages did they receive about money growing up? What are their biggest financial fears? What are their dreams for the future? Understanding these deeper motivations helps you work together as a team rather than against each other. Step 2. Aligning your values and goals. The second element of the formula involves identifying and aligning your core values and long-term goals. Every financial decision you make reflects your values, whether you realize it or not. Some people value security above all else, leading them to save aggressively and avoid debt. Others value experiences and are willing to spend money on travel, dining, and entertainment. Neither approach is right or wrong, but partners need to find common ground. Creating shared financial goals is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your relationship. When you're both working toward the same objectives, money becomes a tool for building your dreams together rather than a source of conflict. These goals should be specific, measurable, and meaningful to both of you. Start with short-term goals that you can achieve within 6 months to a year. This might include building an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, or saving for a vacation. These early wins help you build momentum and confidence in your ability to manage money as a team. Then expand to medium-term goals for the next few years, such as buying a home, starting a family, or changing careers. Finally, discuss your long-term vision for retirement and the legacy you want to create together. Having this complete picture helps you make better decisions about how to allocate your resources today. Remember that goals can and should evolve as your relationship grows and circumstances change. The key is maintaining open communication about these changes and adjusting your plans together. Step 3. Dividing financial responsibilities. The third element of the formula involves creating a system for managing your finances that works for both partners. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to this. And what matters most is finding a system that feels fair and sustainable for your specific situation. Some couples choose to combine all their finances completely, sharing everything from checking accounts to credit cards. This approach can work well for couples who have similar spending habits and strong communication skills. It creates complete transparency and ensures that both partners are always aware of their financial situation. Other couples prefer to maintain some financial independence while still coordinating their major financial decisions. They might have individual accounts for personal spending, while sharing accounts for household expenses and savings goals. This approach can help partners maintain their individual identity while still building a life together. A third approach involves proportional contribution based on income. Partners contribute to shared expenses and goals based on their ability to pay, while maintaining individual accounts for personal spending. This can be particularly effective when partners have significantly different incomes. Regardless of which system you choose, make sure that both partners have some autonomy over spending decisions. Everyone needs to feel like they have some control over their financial life, even when they're sharing major decisions with their partner. Step 4. Building emergency resilience together. The fourth element of the formula focuses on building financial resilience as a couple. Life is unpredictable, and couples who can weather financial storms together emerge with stronger relationships. This means building emergency funds, protecting your income with insurance, and developing the skills to adapt when circumstances change. Start by building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund should be easily accessible but separate from your regular spending accounts. Having this safety net reduces financial stress and gives you more options when unexpected expenses arise. Consider what types of insurance make sense for your situation.